Hello dear students, I am Dr. Sarang Dhote. Today we are going to discuss unit number 4, that is aromatic nitro compounds. So this is the very important unit or chapter, not only from the exam point of view but also important the research as well as for the industrial product manufacturations. The nitro groups contain the NO2 as a functional groups. So in this chapter we are going to discuss introduction of aromatic nitro compounds with examples. Then we are going to discuss what is the nitroarenes. This is the first example, which is the nitroarenes. Then we are going to discuss the chemical synthesis, how they can be prepared in the lab as well as in the industries. Next we are going to also discuss what is the chemical properties of the nitroarenes. So first start with the introductions. The nitroarenes. In your screen there are some examples of the nitroarenes, that is a nitrobenzene is there, 1,3-dinitrobenzene is also there, and 2-ethyl nitrobenzenes is also there. Others are examples also there. We will discuss one by one. First one is the introduction. The nitro group is the most highly oxygenated mostly highly oxygenated form of nitrogen atom. The nitro group can be introduced in a benzene ring very easily by using electrophilic substitution reaction. Remember one thing, in a benzene ring, there is a we can go directly, or in a benzene ring electrophilic substitution reaction is very easy, but when we are talking about the nucleophilic substitution reaction, this is very difficult on the benzene ring. Nucleophilic substitution cannot be takes place on a benzene ring very easily, because benzene itself electron rich and a nucleophile is electron rich, so that very difficult to add the nucleophile in a benzene ring. But our NO2 group, it acts as an electron deficient group, so that benzene is electron rich, so that we can easily add the NO2 group on a benzene ring. The aromatic nitro compounds are much more readily available than aliphatic nitro compounds. Aromatic means what? Like benzene ring aromatic compounds and one NO2 groups is there. This is aromatic nitro compounds. Aliphatic means what? Most of the time straight chain and NO2 group is there. This is the aliphatic. We can easily prepare these aromatic nitro compounds, so that easily available aromatic nitro compounds as compared to aliphatic nitro compounds. So this is regarding the introduction of nitro compounds. Now we are going to discuss the first case is the nitroarenes. What is the meaning of a nitroarenes? We will see here. Nitroarenes means what? Most of the time arenes is related to the aromatic cyclic ring, for example benzene. So this is a arenes, and on arenes, if suppose there is a NO2 group is there, then it is known as a nitroarenes. For example, benzene ring is there and NO2 group. Okay, these are known as nitroarenes. This is the derivative of This is the derivative of aromatic hydrocarbon. Okay, hope everybody knows what is the meaning of aromatic hydrocarbon. In this aromatic hydrocarbon, for example, see, this is the benzene. Okay, one hydrogen atom been replaced by, here one hydrogen atom is replaced by NO2 group. This is the nitroarenes. Okay, this one is the nitroarenes. We will see some examples of the nitroarenes or some derivatives of nitroarenes with their melting point. This is the nitrobenzene. We can call it as a nitrobenzene. Having the boiling point is 210 degrees Celsius. If suppose there are the disubstituted nitrobenzene is there, one NO2 is here and one NO2 is here. See, with respect to this is present on the meta position, so we can call it that meta dinitrobenzene. Having the boiling point is 90 degrees Celsius. We can also discuss about the tri-substituted nitroarenes or a derivative. For example, NO2 is here, then NO2, then one more NO2 here. This is a tri-substituted, so we can call it as 1,3,5 tri-nitrobenzene. This is a tri-nitrobenzene. Boiling point of this trinitrobenzene is 122 degrees Celsius. Other substituted nitroarenes is also there. For example, NO2 and CH3. This is known as ortho. With respect to the CH3, NO2 group is at ortho position, so that ortho nitrotoluene. This is ortho nitrotoluene. Remember one thing, ortho nitrotoluene, nothing but T and T. Sorry, T and T. This is not called T and T. This is NT only, nitrotoluene. Okay. This is boiling point of this nitrotoluene is 222 degrees Celsius. Okay. We can also discuss the trinitrotoluene is also there. Suppose the CH3 is here, then NO2, NO2, NO2. This is a trinitrotoluene known as TNT, highly explosive in nature. Okay, and its melting point is, because it is present in the solid form, it is a melting point is 80 degrees Celsius. So these are some examples. These are some examples of nitroarenes. In this case, the most important is a TNT, because this is categorized under the RDX. Remember one thing, that RDX is not a name of any compound, it is a name of a research laboratory. That is a research laboratory for explosive, hence it is known as RDX. So in this case, the trinitrotoluene is under the categories of RDX. It is highly explosive in nature. Okay. Now, later on we are going to discuss some structural properties of the nitroarene. Okay. These are the nitroarenes are the stabilized, rather than it contain the NO2 groups. Then how it is stabilized? Due to the resonance. Due to the resonating structure, these nitroarenes are stable. How? We will see here. Suppose this is a benzene ring and this nitrogen, double bond O, oxygen, and this is oxygen. This is a classical form. This one is the classical form. We are giving number 1 here. Now here there is a polarization, because here we can shift this electron from oxygen to nitrogen, so that there is a formation of some polarity on the nitrogen as well as oxygen. So compound structure will be like that: nitrogen, oxygen. Okay, in this case oxygen carry negative charge, nitrogen carry positive charge. This is the polar form. This we can call it as a polar form, that is a number 2. Now in this case, due to the formation of polarity here, okay, formation of a polarity here, the electrons can be shifted like this, likewise, so that there is a polarity, there is a resonance like structure. We can draw it like this: N oxygen minus double bond O, positive charge. Or if suppose there is a delocalization, like that. So this is the resonating structure. This one we can call it as the resonating structure, and we can draw the resonating hybrid like that: nitrogen, oxygen, oxygen. Okay, so due to the delocalization, we can draw here the dotted line, because electrons are moving from one oxygen to other oxygen. This is called the resonance structure, and due to this resonance structure, this compound is stabilized, is highly stabilized due to the resonance. Due to what? The resonance. Okay, now this is the regarding the introduction of what? Nitroarenes. Next we are going to discuss examples. Examples we already discussed, that is like that. This is a NO2 group, this is a nitrobenzene. Then we are also discussed, that is a trinitrotoluene, CH3 NO2 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 we also discussed. So these are the some examples that we are already discussed. Now we are going to discuss the synthesis of how we can synthesize. Now how we can synthesis the nitroarenes. Okay, so in the introduction I already told you that electrophilic substitution reaction, if suppose we can carry the electrophilic substitutions reaction on the benzene ring, so that nitration can be carried out. Okay, we can carry the nitration reaction. So that example is, now see here, suppose these are the benzene. Okay, nitration, there are the various nitrating agents, we will discuss the later on. If suppose the nitration is there, the nitration always gives the NO2 plus ion. Okay, this plus sign indicates the addition reaction is there. So this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. In this case, this hydrogen is replaced by NO2. This hydrogen is get replaced by NO2 group, so that here we are getting the nitrobenzene. Okay, so this nitrobenzene is prepared by the nitration of a benzene. For a nitration, we can carry, we will make the mixture of a concentrated sulfuric acid, water and a nitric acid. Okay, this reaction can be carried out in the liquid phase as well as in the vapor phase. If suppose the temperature is very higher, both the reactant and agents are in the vapor phase, then this reaction is called nitration at the vapor phase. If suppose the temperature is adjusted so that both the reactants in the liquid phase, then the reaction is known as nitration at liquid phase. So this is the preparation of nitrobenzene from benzene. Now here we are going to discuss the various nitrating agents. Nitrating agents means what? The mixtures or agents, those who are giving the NO2 group. These all the mixtures are known as the nitrating agents. So we will discuss one by one here. First one is concentrated nitric acid, HNO3. It can be also used. Next one is dilute nitric acid, HNO3. But for this HNO3, this concentrated HNO3 is highly reactive, but this diluted HNO3 is weakly reactive, so that it can be used only in case of activated compound like the phenol. Then next one is the fuming nitric acid. Next we can call it a fuming nitric acid. Then next one is most popularly used, that is a mixture of H2SO4 plus HNO3 plus water. These are the nitrating mixture. This can be used. Then the pyridinium nitrate. In the presence of pyridine. This is also a nitrating action. And the last one is, that is nitrogen pentoxide, N2O5. This is the nitrogen pentoxide in the presence of AlCl3. So all these are the nitrating agents. With the help of these nitrating agents, we can prepare the various nitro compounds. Okay, various nitro compounds. Now next one is, these are the nitrating. Now we are going to discuss here the mechanism, how NO2 group is added, what is the mechanism for this nitration reaction. Very simple mechanism is there. See carefully. Mechanism of nitration. The nitration process involves the formation of a nitronium ion. Formation of what? Nitronium ion, that is NO2 plus. These are the nitronium ion, followed by the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction of it with benzene. Okay, now the nitronium ion is generated in situ. Here is one word, in situ. In situ means what? During the reaction. Remember this thing. जब तक मैं टेस्ट ट्यूब में मिक्सचर नहीं बनाता हूँ, दैट इज HNO3 ऐड नहीं करता हूँ, अलॉन्ग विद दैट उसमें अगर मैं H2SO4 ऐड नहीं करूँगा, तब तक यहाँ पर नाइट्रेटिंग, दैट इज NO2 नाइट्रोनियम आयन फॉर्म नहीं होगा. ओके, तब तक यहाँ पर नाइट्रोनियम आयन फॉर्म नहीं होगा. जब मैं मिक्स करूँगा तभी फॉर्म हो रहा है. सो दैट इन सिटू, ड्यूरिंग द सिचुएशन, ड्यूरिंग द रिएक्शन, इन सिचुएशन, इसको बोला जाता है इन सिटू. तो जब मैं उसको मिक्स करता हूँ, H2SO4 जो होता है वो H प्लस डोनेट करेगा. क्या डोनेट करेगा वो? H प्लस प्लस HNO3. ओके, HNO3, it gives NO2 plus nitronium ion plus H2O. So this is the nitronium ion. This is the what? Nitronium ion. Now these nitronium ion react with alternate double bonds. Benzene, here is the replaceable hydrogen. Hydrogen is replaced, and here we are getting the nitro benzene. Here we are getting nitro benzene. So this is the mechanism. Next we are going to discuss the various chemical properties of nitroarenes. Various chemical properties. This is also very simple. First we are going to discuss, that is reduction. First we are going to discuss the reduction. Reduction can be carried out by using the various reducing agent, but product of the reduction is depend upon the which type of reducing agents are used. Remember, so if suppose I am using a acidic medium, Okay, I am using acidic medium. Suppose I am using acidic medium. For example, in case of acidic medium, the conditions for example, acidic means zinc plus HCl, these are the reducing agent, or Fe plus HCl, or ZnCl2 in HCl, okay, tin plus HCl, okay, this is not a meaning of or, this is in the presence of HCl. If suppose these are the acidic medium, then the product is amine, that is a benzoamine is formed. Okay, the product is aniline. Okay, product is aniline. For example, NO2. Suppose one of the reagents is used here, zinc plus HCl. Zinc plus HCl. Here we are getting aniline, that is NH2. If suppose the condition is neutral, if suppose the condition is neutral, reaction is carried out in case of a neutral medium. Okay, in case of a neutral medium, for example, zinc dust in the presence of ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl. This is the neutral medium. Then here we are getting at the neutral conditions the phenyl hydroxylamine. Here we are getting phenyl hydroxylamine. See, reaction is like that. NO2. Sorry for the slide changes. NO2. Suppose the reaction is carried out zinc dust in the presence of NH4Cl. Reduction means what? Addition of a hydrogen. So here we are getting, that is benzyl hydroxylamine. NHOH. This is the known as phenyl hydroxylamine. Okay. Now, if suppose the reaction is carried out at basic medium, if suppose the reaction is carried out in a basic medium, reagent will be zinc dust in the presence of NaOH, or stannous chloride in the presence of NaOH, sodium arsenate Na3ASO3. Then what will happen? In the alkaline medium, here we are getting the azoxybenzene or azobenzene. Okay, polynuclear compounds. Polynuclear means what? When both the rings are joined together. So here we are getting, like, take the one example of if suppose the nitrobenzene is here. Okay, nitrobenzene is here, and if suppose the reaction is carried out again in the presence of zinc dust, but here the reagents are changed. Here is the NaOH. In the case of NaOH, both the rings are, if the suppose the 2 moles of is here, both the benzene rings are coupled with each other. Like that. Here we are getting hydrazobenzene. Here we are getting hydrazobenzene. So that these are the different conditions. At the acidic medium, here we are getting the aniline. At neutral condition, here we are getting the phenyl hydroxylamine. Like this. But in some cases you should remember one thing. In case of acidic and in case of neutral, here formation of a common reaction intermediates, that is nitrosobenzene. Common is nitrosobenzene, that is a C6H5NO. So that reaction, intermediate products during this reaction, during the acidic and acidic and neutral medium, there is a nitrosobenzene is obtained here. Okay, we will see the some examples of these reduction reactions. Suppose 2 moles of Na2 is here. Okay, if suppose the basic medium is here, then we know that here we are getting first azoxybenzene. Here we are getting first this is the azoxybenzene. Okay, this is the first product. In case of when I will use the basic condition, जब मैं basic conditions यूज़ करूँगा तो सबसे पहले मुझे azoxybenzene मिलेगा. थोड़ी देर के बाद यहाँ पर azoxybenzene जो है उसका भी रिडक्शन हो जाएगा, तो आपको यहाँ पर मिलेगा N डबल बॉन्ड N बेंजीन रिंग. दिस इज द नोन एज एजोबेंजीन. इसको आप क्या बोलोगे? एजोबेंजीन. और अगर और एक बात